Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this fragrance. I'll be unboxing Azzaro Wanted. Yeah, I already got the Azzaro Wanted by night. That it is a great fragrance for the fall and the winter, for nights out of course, nothing for the day. At least this is my opinion, that this one is not really for the day. But yeah, I got this one that it is for the days, but not in the summer days, on the high heats. I heard that this one is better in like every season, but in the evenings of the summer, like nights out in the summer. But like in spring, fall and winter, you can go with this one on the day too. You can go on the night, but I prefer to go on the night with this one on fall and winter. So yeah, here is the box. It says Azzaro Wanted. Here is the sign of the Azzaro. Here, this is too the bullet sign. Yeah. Eau de toilette concentration, not like this one that it is eau de parfum. You can see here, wait, yeah, you can see here, I don't know if you can see, but it is eau de parfum. So yeah, many people say that fragrances that are eau de toilette project more, but I don't know, this one projects really good, this one. So yeah, it depends on the fragrance that you buy, of course. So yeah, this is a 100 ml. And yeah, very good fragrance. I was debating in the store between this one and the Bulgari Aquamarine. That at first, when I smelled it, I really liked it. But on the second and on the third time that I smelled this fragrance, Bulgari Aquamarine, I liked it a bit less, okay? So I didn't buy this one, and I bought this one instead, the Azzaro Wanted. So yeah, they also, the Azzaro company, also are releasing a new fragrance called Azzaro The Most Wanted. It is a black bottle, just black. And yeah, they will release this fragrance later on this year, I think. So yeah, let's unbox this fragrance, okay? Yeah. Oh, by the way, I bought it for like $48, okay? 48 bucks, and yeah, it is a very good price for this fragrance. At least this is what I think. Wait, yeah. So yeah, here is the bottle. Very bright, as you can see, very bright bottle. Here's what you can see. This is by night. This is the new my new fragrance that I bought today, Azzaro Wanted. So yeah, you can see the difference in the color. This is more like dark, and this is more bright. So yeah, very similar bottles, like really the same bottle, but just different colors. So yeah, here in the bottom you have the batch code, okay? Yeah, I think that it is the batch code, and yeah, it is made in what country? Made in France. This fragrance made in France, okay? And yeah, 100 ml and all the stuff, all the toilet concentration. So yeah, looks like a bullet of the gun, like a barrel or something like that. And yeah, so the cap, here is the cap. It is a really good cap. It is not really heavy, but not really light. It is like really well done. Okay, so you have the sign of the Azzaro here, and yeah, that's basically all. Here you have the writing Azzaro, and yeah, let's spray with this atomizer that looks really the same like the Wanted by Night. As you can see, here is Wanted by Night, really the same, just the color of the atomizer is different, like the bottles. So yeah, let's spray. Okay, yeah, I really smell it. Whoa, very good smell, very good smell. It is really similar to Invictus. It is similar, but Invictus is like really sweet. The new Invictus, like the Invictus Aqua 2018, if I'm not, yeah, it is a bit similar to Invictus. Really good smell. It smells a bit different from Invictus, I must say. This scent, I don't think this is really a night out scent, but you can go for a night out with this scent. It is a bit sweet, but not too sweet. It is. I think you can go with this one in the summer nights, but not on the days. On the days, it's too much. Because if you are going with this one in the high heat, the sweetness will just be overpowering in a bad way. So I really suggest you guys to go with this one in the summer, only in the summer on the nights, but on other seasons like fall, winter, and spring, you can go with this one on the days too. Okay? Yeah. So let's talk a bit about the ingredients of this fragrance. This fragrance came in 2016. The top notes are mint, okay, so the top notes are mint, lavender, ginger, and lemon. The middle notes are geranium, Guatemalan cardamom, juniper, and apple. The base notes are Tonka Bean, Amberwood, and Haitian Vetiver. Okay, so we have really many notes in this fragrance, and yeah, a bit similar to Invictus. Yeah, it is fresh, but there is a sweetness, and yeah, I really understand why this one is not for the days on the high heat. Yeah, it is definitely a great compliment getter. I think so. Yeah, very good fragrance. I must say that I get a bit of like honey from this fragrance, from the ingredients, but it is not in the ingredients, but like really honey, or it is the ginger that I smell, really potent. Yeah, so yeah guys, I will try to describe this smell the best that I can. Okay, so let's I will smell a bit of the Wanted by Night. Yeah, I think that this fragrance is just like Wanted by Night, but more for the day. Okay, it is more for the day, for the days, and yeah. Okay guys, this is all for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate that you watched, and I hope that you have some fun you had some fun in this video, watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Take care and bye.